Apple is now accepting pre-orders for the iPhone 12 mini and the iPhone 12 Pro Max through its online storefront and the Apple Store app. Pre-orders are available in more than 30 countries and regions around the world for the two new iPhone models, which will join the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro that went on sale in October. Priced starting at $699 or $729 for the SIM-free model for 64 GB of storage, the iPhone 12 mini is Apple's most affordable iPhone this year. It shares the same feature set as the iPhone 12, but it comes in a smaller 5.4-inch form factor that's ideal for those who prefer a more compact device. The iPhone 12 Pro Max is Apple's largest and most expensive iPhone this year, coming in at 6.7 inches with a $1,099 starting price point. It's similar to the iPhone 12 Pro, but with a larger form factor and upgraded camera technology. The iPhone 12 Pro Max has the same 3-lens camera setup with lighter, but it has a larger sensor that offers better performance in low light. All of the iPhone 12 models have a new flat edge design that's similar to the iPad Pro, with OLED edge-to-edge displays, Face ID, faster A14 chip technology, and 5G connectivity. In the United States, the entire iPhone 12 lineup supports both mWave and Sub-6 GHz 5G networks, while in other countries, Sub-6 GHz 5G connectivity is available. Those who want an iPhone 12 mini or an iPhone 12 Pro Max that are hoping to get a device on launch day should place a pre-order right away because supplies are likely limited. Some iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro models sold out shortly after pre-orders for those devices launched, and since Apple held the iPhone 12 mini and Pro Max back until a later date, it's possible supplies of the smallest and largest iPhone 12 models are more limited. Major U.S. carriers including Verizon, AT&T, Sprint, and T-Mobile are accepting pre-orders for new devices, as are other carriers around the world. Major online retailers such as Best Buy, Target, and Walmart are also accepting pre-orders today. In the US, customers can purchase the new iPhones from the 4 major carriers through the Apple Online Store or Apple Store app or choose a SIM-free option. Purchase options include carrier payment plans, the Apple Upgrade Program, Apple Card monthly installments, or paying in full. Cases for the iPhone 12 mini and 12 Pro Max are also available today, as are leather cases for all iPhone models. Along with new iPhones and cases, Apple is accepting pre-orders for the smaller and more affordable HomePod mini as of today, with the new compact speaker available for purchase for $99 from the online Apple Store and the Apple Store app. Customers who place an order for launch day delivery can expect to begin receiving their devices on Friday, November 13th, the official launch date for the iPhone 12 mini and 12 Pro Max. HomePod mini pre-orders will begin arriving on Monday, November 16th.